Hi everyone, in front of me I've got Blackview A200 Pro and let me share with you how to change the system language on this device. So let's start with opening the settings, and here we have to scroll down to the very bottom to find the system. Now let's enter languages and input at the top and tap on languages. And right here we've got, I would say, a shortcut of the whole list of available languages. Those are frequently used by the phone user. So let me add another one. Let's tap on add a language, and here we've been transferred to the full list of available languages from which we can choose. So all you have to do is to find the language and tap on it. So let me pick maybe Turkish, just tap on it, choose the region. And as you can see, the language has been immediately applied. However, our chosen language is at the bottom of the list and it is not set as a main one. So all we have to do is to reorder the languages to set the Turkish, of course Turkish in my case, on the very first position. So let's tap on it and hold it and drag it to the top. And as you can see, from now on, the whole system and the whole menu will be displayed in the chosen language. Let me show it to you again. Tap on it and hold it and drag it to the first position. Of course, you can also remove the languages from this list. 3 dots icon in the right upper corner and tap on remove. Now we have to mark the languages and tap on the trash bin icon. Let's tap on remove to confirm. And as you can see, we've got only English left. Alright, so that will be all. Thank you so much for watching. I hope that this video was helpful, and if it was, please hit the subscribe button and leave the thumbs up.